igama lami nguNkosinathi lo. Mara abantu abaningi bangazi ngu-Anushka. I-nickname yami yase-high school. Namhlanje ngizonixoxela ngokudutshula kwami. Unknowingly ukuthi loyo muntu loyo bekayi-Facebook friend yami.
Sanibonani molweni, welcome to TVC Gauteng. Igama uZamambo Mkhize, owaziwa ngoZamzukana Closet on the social streets. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing to the channel. If you have subscribed, kindly do so. It's absolutely free. You can support the channel by joining a membership here too. A membership, it's 20 rands per month. So 20 rands per month, Leo, is for watching ama videos way too exclusive, only to our members. Before upatala leyo 20 rands kaya, you get a month's free trial la uzobona khona lawo ma videos lawo, so that you get the idea yokuthi mawuzobhatala imali yakho ubhatalelani. Ningakhohlwa ke ukuthi when you watch those videos akunama interruptions wama ads, so you know ukuthi from start to finish ubukela nje ama video without having to skip. Namhlanje ke sizomamela story se guest yethu sizokabanza ukuthi uzosixoxela ngani.
Hello, Sizama.
All right.
Ngiyaphila wena njani?
Nami right.
Ngiyaphila. Yo, like it's such a great pleasure like to meet you.
Yo,
ngijabula. Maybe namhlanje like inhliziyo yami izokwazi ukuheala in some other ways. Yeah.
So ke ungasixoxela ukuthi what happened on that day.
Yo, same day yakhona. Like ngisebuka Friday.
Okay.
I went to school cause bengifunda at the Beauty Hub Academy.
Okay.
Which is situated at the Clan.
Okay.
Like it's over by the Clan. Like it's over by the Clan shopping mall. Bese ngapha eside ngase BMW.
Okay. I-dealership yange.
Yeah, and then bese ngapha phakathi uyangena.
Okay.
Yeah. So I went to school like normally. Ngithoka esikoleni. And then bese ngabuya late. You know, sometimes like umuntu ongathanda ukudlala endlini. Yabona? Yo, angithanda like asukuthi maybe angifuni ukulala endlini, but then I-pressure ukuthi uyazi like yo ngizongomile ini yabona. Plus like it's a Friday.
Yeah.
I came back to school. Mangibuya ngabuya nomngani wami.
Okay.
I don't want to mention names.
Yeah. No problem.
Okay. Like so ngabuya nomngani wami sahlala like sathenga amakota, sathenga amakota. Ngathini? Yeah, and then bese after vele ngashintsha. Ngicela ukushintsha. Athi yazini masami yabona like ngitho somewhere yabona. Like ngitho ngishintshe nami, and then bese sami sabona ukuthi senzani for the day. Ngaye sahambe vele siphumile egate elincane lapha yithi sihambe so. Hawu mahlangana lapha na vele ngihlangana ngizokunomangani nabasekasi vele esiluma yabona.
Okay.
Mhlangana vele ngizosikhipha nishap yabo. Ngiyaphuza vele yabona. Hayi ngibe nama-doubts ukuthi yazini ithi ngiphuze yabona. And manje like kube na that inner peace ukuthi yazini ithi ngingaphuzi, but then ngathi hayi yabona ithi ngiphuze.
Okay.
And then bese sathenga ama-drinks sahlala as normal like normally vele sahlala saphuza inini. And then bese ngashaya boma angisakhumbula around what time, but then bese kushaya u6-7 lapho.
Okay.
Kufika omunye umngani wami ohlala eKwanele.
Ikwanele ikuphi?
EKwanele East eKatlehong.
Okay.
Uyafika uhamba ngeQuantum. Bagcwele vele phakathi. Ngiyababuza ngithini yaphi? Bathi hayi no ngisiya eKwanele eKatlehong. Khona izinto like esiyozenza lapha, and then bese later we're going to Grand Cafe. Grand Cafe, it's a place where like chillwa khona vele kuphuza utshwala. Just kanjalo lapho. Mina ke ngithi yazini isingforced yabona ngoba angikhala ngokulala vele simthi. Because vele ngitho during the week vele ngitho ngibuya late, and yabona angisitholi isikhathi esokuthi like ngitho ngikhuluma nabangani bami senzeni yabona. Ngigibele emontweni. Mangigibele emontweni siye ekhaya lontombazana leyo. Ayivele sihlala kanti vele kuyaphuza vele lapho futhi still. Makuphuza vele still ngithi hayi mina yazini sengiyolala manje yabona. Ekwanele, besekwanele. Azange ngisaya mina eGreen Cafe. Ngoba ngani, I already told myself ukuthi yazini sengiphuze, it's enough now. Manje like mangiphuze like ngithi mangitsho like ngithi ngiphuze vele enough vele. Ngabuya vele. And mangibuya ngiyawalk. Like ngithi angisengilo muntu lo othanda ukugibela ama-taxi. Ngoba ngibona ngathi I'm wasting money.
All right. And bakwakheka kuseduze.
And manje kuseduzane. So khona le passage le lapha ekwanele le passage lelo uwela esiluma yabona like bekune ngithaven so like ngithi kuyakudala bathi White House but then manje ngithe seyivaliwe. So mangithi ngiyangena ngithi kule passage lelo yo ngahlangana la kunomunye umfana lo mfana lo ngithi kwasekwanele ngiyambuza ngithi mina ufunani yabona hayi umfana akakhulumi yo.
So uhlangana naye ephasijini?
Ngihlangana naye ephasijini.
Uza kuwe njengoba umbuza ukuthi ufunani uboneni njengoba uzombuza ukuthi ufunani?
No ngithi uza ugayi ngathi bekandlula but then manje la ngithi ukuthi ubone mina ngathi wama. Ngambuza ngathi mina uye ufunani yabona. Mangimbuza ukuthi la ngithi mangimbuza ukuthi ufunani akakhulumi next. Uyangibheka nje kuphela. So manje yabona ngithi kufanele ukuthi hayi man ngiyamazi like ngithi ngiyamazi lo muntu lona and ukumazi kwami asumuntu maybe engimjwayele yabona ngithi ayiwanda ngithi sakafuna ini hayi ngimbone kube ngathi khona into ayikhiphayo like la emuva kanti yo manje ngithi kanti ukhipha ispam yo Jehova ngiyo yazi semde yakhona like bengitatazela ne but then azange ngibelieve ukuthi yo lo muntu lo uzongidubula. Ngimbuza futhi kwesi2 ufuna ini? Ugayi akaphenduli like he keeps on like ngithi useta ispam. Like esinye ispam yakhe esimnyama esingaka esincane yabo yes like uyasikhipha vele makasikhipha yo like nje azange ngize ngiscreame azange ngize ngenzeni like nje like my heart was gagambing like ngithi gagambing like sokusho ukuthi like my heart was
beating fast. Yeah, okay.
Yo and I was flabbergasted yo. I was shocked in other words. Ngithi yo Nkosi yami vele namhlanje impilo yami yaphela. Yo ufuna ini nawe okaya kakhulumi. Hawu hayi like ngithoka khona la kulomfana lo ebengihamba naye bathi bani uSibusiso ohlala ePalm Ridge. So uSibusiso yena angazi ukuthi kuyenzakala ugayi washaya uSibusiso la kulomfana lo bengihamba naye la konke wamshaya ngesibhamu enhloko. Makamshaya ngesibhamu ugayi ngathi wawela phansi. Makawela phansi because vele sithi vele bestakiwe. Kungukuthi vele like sisuke lapha ekwanele eKatlehong. Ngithi vele yazi Sibusiso ngoba like ngithoka kusebusuku and ohlele Palm Ridge uzohamba kusasekuseni yabona. Masahambisela ngihlala khona ukuze vele
kuzoyenzakala into
like kuzoyenzakala isigameko.
Yeah.
Mabaqeda ukumshaya ngesibhamu la kula inhloko vele kena ugayi afenti awele phansi. Mina lo gayi lona ngathi akhiphe like maqeda ukushaya uSibusiso ngesibhamu askisi asede maqeda ukuseta angidubule kokucala on my left on my like ilo enyaweni lami la left like ngathini esangeni.
Yeah.
Makangidubula angizwanga next yazi. Maqeda futhi angidubule futhi kwesi2 enyaweni lami la left la ngasedolweni.
Yeah.
Hayi man ngithi hayi man like lo muntu lo vele kahle ungidubulile
futhi
hayi like nje azange ngize ngiye phansi azange ngize ngiscreame futhi ngavele ngathi yazini yo kanti lento le like ngithi leyenza kabele kimi yabona yo angazi ukuthi yo same day ngathi kuye okay fine kena ithi maybe ngikhumule kena yabona Ngikuphi like lento oyifunayo. Because apparently bengaphethanga grocery, like bengaphethanga in like bengiphethe phone. And then thereafter, like ngithi makasubusela isibhamu, mina ngithi ngaba ne-adrenaline yokuthi awuthi ngeke ngizilwele. I wanted to fight with myself same day. Ngithi yazi yabona like la ukuthi ngiyafa or angifi angisinandaba. Ngaba ne-adrenaline mangithi ngithatha isibhamu ugaye kanti uzoba namandla. Makaba namandla wangidubula futhi kwesi-3 on my right leg, on my right thigh la emathangeni wami. Same day yakhona yo kuthi vele mangiceda ngidubula vela ngawa. Akhanya like mangiwa like ngithi ngihlala phansi. Mangihlala phansi yo like nje angibelieve ukuthi kwenzakaleni and I was not bleeding. Bengableed.
Okay.
Maqeda ngidubula ugayi uthatha isibhamu usibusela like ngithi kuye ebokotweni.
Okay.
Maqedile uyahamba.
So akathathanga next.
Azange athathe next. Cause mina into engiyenzele like ngithi ngisengathi kuye ngiphethe ifone. Ufunani? So yena so yena kahle like ngibekangafuni ifone or into nje like bengiyiphethe nje ngibekanga ifone. Bekafuna nje ukungidubula nje kuphela.
So makazo yenza kanjalo azokudubula, okay, uyamrecognize yena. So do you think at that point ukuthi okay njengoba ngimbona ngimfanisa ukuthi man umuntu engimaziyo from Facebook yena uyakwazi nami ucabanga ukuthi bekakwazi ngaleso sikhathi?
I think uyangazi cause if bekangangazi bekazongibulala. Or maybe bekazongidubula on my vital parts. Sengisho ukuthi ngizokulana emzimbeni.
Yeah, labo ngazathi ungashona mangakudubula.
Cause manje if like ngithi bekangangazi bekazongidubula angibulali enzele ukuthi ngingamtholi angatholakali kahle. So manje ngoba ngiyamazi kusho ukuthi uyenze vele ukuthi angilayi ngingasokwazi ukuhamba. Kanti uNkulunkulu lanise uzongisave ngarecover.
Okay, so after lapho what happened? So wile phansi uhleli usibusisa usalele shem usase unconscious.
Mangiloko ngihleli lapho angithi manje like ngithoka angibelieve ukuthi kwenzakala like lento lena like kimi. Like ngithi ngisese shocked like I'm flabbergasted ukuthi oh Nkosi yami vele ngiduduliwe vele and vele angisana phone. Yabona ngithathe bengigcoke i-cardigan.
Okay.
Ngigcoke ne skin jean esi-blue.
Okay.
Askisi ngigcoke nama-Crocs amhlophe.
Okay.
So manje like ngitho khona enye intombazana ebeyindlula. Like bekadlule angisazi bekabuyaphi. Ngiyamemeza. Hello sisi unjani? Sharp. Yabona like ngithi ngiloko like ngithi ngishocked. And ngapha angazi ukuthi ngenze njani. Hello unjani? Sharp. Sisi afike athi kimi like ngithi ngathi kuye uyamazi uzibani uhlala ngapha ngase-passagini. Athi uyamazi. Ngithi mina bengicela ukuthi I'm describe yabona ukuthi usho lo wakhabo bazo usho lo wakhabo sibani. Ngithi ngisho yena yabona wathi kimi okay azikimi kwenze njani ngithi yo ngicela ukudutshulwa like umuntu umfana ohlala ngapha ngasekwanele. Athi kimi okay fine wena nje hlala lapho ithi mina ngigijime ngiyombiza. Mangithi ngibheka usibusiso naye uhlele against like ngithi lapho ephasijini ebondeni yabona. Hayi umngani wami loyo like ngithi she's a very close friend of mine.
Okay.
I won't mention her name.
Yeah.
And then bese kena she came ahamba nabo sisibaki. Bayangimanga like ngithi bamangela Anushka yini ngithi yo ngicela ungangibuzi. Askisi bangidubulile. Bakudubule ngathi kwenze njani ngithi yazini ngicela ungasangibuzi like into eyiningi ngicela ufonele ambulance. I-ambulance mayingilanda umngani wami afonele ugogo wami. Bakafonela ugogo wami athi gogo u-Anushka udutshuliwe. U-Anushka like u-Anushka udutshuliwe bathi yo okay but then inkinga ukuthi manje asina transport. Because like laba ngihlala khona like it was ngathini akas like ngithe kuyabona mawu egroundini bese ke nala ngithe kumele undlule uzo ufike la kulele lapha ngakamlapisi eSontonga eSontonga mona so manje like it's a far distance for ukuthi ugogo like for ukuthi ugogo angawalk and manje umkhulu wami like bekangekho ngemonto okay bamfonele bafonele ambulance abafonile ambulance yasi ama paramedics wafika bathi angeke bakhona ukungena lapha like basithini ngoba bayasaba nabo inkunzi okay umngani wami atshela ibhuti wakhe athi hayi masimkukele ngithi angikwazi ukuhamba yabona if only like ngithi like ningangiguga kuzoba ngcono bangiguge ngingene ku-ambulance uSibusiso angene nami ku-ambulance phakathi cause ngathi bese kahlaphukile vele mangena ku-ambulance siya eRamkunupi clinic eRamkunupi clinic ilapha eKatlehong ila eKatlehong I meant masifika lapha eRamkunupi bathi kimi yazi ne like lo muntu lona critical so ngicela like ngithi ngimuse eSelamkhokane eSelamkhokane hospital in Vosloorus eGauteng manje like ngithi endleleni like bengakhoni kupena and manje like ngithi makupena angithi iambulance mayihamba ihamba kuphela and manje ihamba kubahamba ihashile like ihamba kumahamba kudlu and manje like khani manje ngizwa ama pain cause manje inkinga ukuthi kupeni ngenziwe yini ukuthi ngifasela ngecardigan yeah on both my legs yabona cause ilona like cause la bekupena khona kakhulu like bokuyinyawo lami laka left ayivele ke nasifika esibhedlela bangifake ku casualty bangifika ku casualty into beyipena khani manje kupena okudlula like ngithi like the time of the incident and manje like ngiyakhala so manje into engihlekisayo and manje like sengihleka after ne like the way like bekupena ngakhona angithi yabona like it's like mawu casualty khona like lento lezi ezivalayo like mawuchama like, or maybe like mawenza like something like private in like they close you like lama cases like lawa anamavili yabona so manje like ngithe like bengilo ngiphethe umchamo bangilo ngiphethe umchamo yabona like ngithe abonesi abanginaki and again unganginaki ngoku ene njengoba like njengoba banganginaki ngathatha lento le ngayilahlela le phansi wonke umuntu wangibheka bathi yini ngithi mina kodwa ngicela ukuthi ngicela ukuchama ngipheresekile lesikhathi leso like ngiyabhekile at the same time lo omunye ubani security asiyabona wena sokufaka imvubo ngoba umameli semthi yakhona
and now awukhona ukuhamba
angikhona ukuhamba and ngicela ukustretch I can't like ngithiwa ngiyahleka manje ngoba like sekuyinto endlulile yabona but then like ngithiwa ngiyakhumbula ukuthi kwenzakalini and then after my mom came ekuseni like thumake mama yami wathi mina to right I couldn't like azangikwazi ukumbheka emehlweni mama yami ngomhlozi wami ebuhlungu yazi like do you know ukuthi umuntu akukhuze ne maqeda ukukhuza like ngithi kungamameli and then bese ke nokwenzakala like le nto leyo like so uyaziswabela ukuthi yazini yazi Nkosi yami
ngikhuziwe la
like ngithi bengiloko ngikhuzwa like indaba yami like ngithi indaba yabangani indaba yokuhamba ebusuku yabona manje like sengiyazisola you understand like zavela like zahle ngembizi like ngithi ngayenza i-short prayer ngasiyazi uNkulunkulu wami mangabe intando yakho like ngithi like mayenzeke intando yakho if maybe like it was meant to be ngicela nje ukuthi ube nami ngiphole and manje mangiloko like ngithi ngiyenza i-short prayer ngiyapena mangithi la ethangeni lami ku left wami like ngithi nginembobo imbobo like yama bullets yabona
so lingene la angene waphuma la wangapha left
awangenanga
okay
ayenze nje imbobo abandlulanga ayenze nje kusho ukuthi mama ngidubula ne lenzeke ka bumper and then bese like ngithi azange lingene
Okay.
lawela phansi
Okay.
on la
Left,
way-2
yeah.
mangibheka like la ku-right nginembobo still and then bese-ke la masengingena ewodini eward 21 eThelamkhurani hawu angithi la ngithi masewulala vele cause angisho manje bayakulalisa cause manje like ngitho la kusesinatrauma awazi ukuthi kuyenzakalani yo ukuthi mabangihambise ngithi oh mama angifuni ngesibhedlela angifuni ukulala angithi manje like ngisese like nowa like I'm so traumatized ukuthi yo Nkosi yami yabona lento like lento like yenzeke kimi I'm shocked I'm flabbergasted actually oh and then thereafter like ngithi bangilalisa vele bathi mayazini bazongifaka ewodini yabona like ngizoba right ini okay fine ngalala ke ward 21 kusasa kakhona ekuseni mase ngivuka bavuka ama-nurse wangidressa yo ngithe mangithi on my right leg like la vile bangidubula khona ibullet like lila
Okay.
aliphumanga lawa like ngithi like lawa manye ama-bullets like lawa like bewangithashile like la on my thighs awekho maka like ngithi nginembobo yo mangithi ngiyazibheka yo le nurse leli belingidressa apha yo like naye uze uyasaba ukuthi yo yazini Nkosi yami yo yabona like into ezikanjalo yo like ngithi lansi beza abo doctor bazongichecka like ngithi mabasha ama rounds because like they normally do ama rounds before like baya kuma rooms wabo like waiting for ama patient for ama consultations ama checkups yabona ngahlala esibhedlela and then like my mom came aloke azangibona you know yazini actually I just want to thank God yazi ukuba nomama osona like impilweni yami like yazi like ngithi kwenze yazi kubhlungu ukukhuzwa bese nawe la kuloko abuse yaqhubeka and then bese like your mom just don't give up on you yo like nje like ngiyambonga like ngaso sonke isikhathi like nokuhlala nje like ngithi sometimes like ngithi ngiwani yazini like ngithi like like ngithi ukubheka amanye ama-parent the way like bangabathandi ngakhona and then like looking at my mom like ngithi ngiwani but then yena like she keeps on yazini hayi nathi manje ungahambi ebusuku but then anti uyazi like into zomhlaba
Yeah,
yakhula yo yazini I just want to thank God aloke eze esibhedlela angikhuthaza praise and like nogogo wami naye ozala ubabami eza naye athi like kudala ngikhuza but then you know like they did not dwell like azange bagxile on that kakhulu cause like ngithi umuntu ngamblame but then okusalayo like ngithi umntwana angeke uzomlahlele ngaphandle yeah and then bese yena ngizohlala esibhedlela ngene nge-14 zaka November yeah 2023 ngahlala mangiqeda ukuhlala and you know mina vele like nginomuntu lo vele othanda ukukhuluma nabantu yabona like ngitho like kahlahle ngumuntu wabantu yabona so njengoba ngithi ngumuntu wabantu angisilo umuntu lo osiyazina yabona angikwazi esibhedlela siyaxoxa yabona and then like ngitho ngaze ukuxoxa kwami ngaze ngajwayela abantu yabona and uma ngijwayela abantu ngikhohle nokuthi konje ngilimele yabona excuse and then lokuhlaba lesixoxa vele kube mnandi yabona ngithi khona elinye nurse engaze ngajwayela like ngaze ngaba close naye like sala wasixoxa vele ke ngasho ngathi no like ngithi yabona ngunathi yabona nje yo yazini like uNkulunkulu nje yabona asazi ukuthi usebenza ngendlela ezinjani yo bathi ngelanga le operation yo balokhu postpone. And again, in the meantime, kuza uDecember and mina angisafuni ukuhlala esibhedlela ngoba yo like bese ngikhathele ngoba ngoba ngizwile. Ngaze ngazilwela yo ngakhala ngithi hayi
for ukuthi operation yenziwe.
Yo ngithi yo doctor na doctor doctor mina like ngithi why like ningiskipa cause angisho like ngithi mina bengazi ukuthi esibhedlela like ngithi mangena ama emergencies baqala ngabo like kuma operation. So manje ngelanga le operation like ngithi bekudependa ukuthi maybe let's say sometimes like ngithi sometimes like ngithi bakutshela ukuthi angeke uzukhona ukungena yabona like sozoya like next week. Already vele awudlanga like the whole day yabona. So manje like ngithi bekuyiba pressure kimi ukuthi yazini angidlanga the whole day angiphuzanga namanzi like ngigunya nje amathi nje kuphela yabona yo but then yazini like ngomusa kaNkulunkulu yazi uNkulunkulu yazini yo and then and then the after when again bathi kimi hayi nto nkosinathi so uyilanga le ilakho le operation yabona and yabona and without knowing ukuthi okuloko ukuzilwela kwami ukwada like ngivela like ngikwata laba doctor ini khona lo doctor lo like like vele bese kangazi vele asimi Anushka yabona nje aloko ashama jokes without knowing ukuthi yabona like sizoba close nabo doctor nabo nurse you see. And then the after like ngithi ngayo operation kusasa kakhona bang discharge.
Okay, that's nice.
Bang discharge yo xizami like bese beyabhlungu futhi ngithi Nkosi yami sengiyahamba esibhedlela sengiyabashiya yo and like so angithi phela like nenye into sometimes uNkulunkulu like uyakutesta sometimes like utesta ifaith yakho ukuthi umbeliever kangakanani yabona. Like ngizophuma esibhedlela angiphuma esibhedlela ngizohlala endlini ngarecover kuthi vele base mara like bengekho fully recovered. January first Sunday bengiloko like ngihamba ngamakhashiza ayi-2 ngahamba ngayo esontweni just to go thank God yabona. Yazi ngabonga ngaze ngakhala ngathi yazini yazi mangase isikhathi sakho asisikhathi sakho thina like ngithi thina abantu sithatha izinto for granted yabona singazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyasithesta along the run. You understand? So mina nje all in all nje kuthi vele like mazithi 2024 like ngifirst Sunday ngihamba ngesontweni lokho ngihamba ngenduku like ngisafake isimende ngihamba ngesontweni yazi azange ngibe indaba nabantu yazi like nje abantu like nje like like ngathini ukucabanga nje ukuthi abantu bazothini like njengoba ngigcoke isimende mangesontweni azange ngibe nendaba yazi. But then ngaya esontweni like phela bangibheka ukuthi yo but yabona but then azange ngibe ashamed of myself like because like ngifuna nje ukuthi yazini like ngifike esontweni ngafika esontweni like ngiloko ngiba right like ngiloko ngi-exercise ini ngaze ngaba right ngafika ilanga baze bathi ngikhiphe isimende ngakhipha isimende along the run bese ngaba ngenduku e1 but then azange ngistophe ukuyesontweni yo ngabuyela futhi etshwaleni yo ngasho ngathi ne baloko babhizi bami
nizwa nina yazi nina emakhaya yazi abo Anushka baningi ngiyazi ukuthi baningi abo Anushka
ngabuyela ene asiwukuthi maybe like ngathi ngibuyeliswa ukuthi angizwa ne ngibuyeliswa ukuthi yabona yo yazini like ngifuna ukuthi abantu like ngithi abantu like bangibone ukuthi ngisona yabona like bazokwazi ukungi-accept ukuthi angiseselo Anushka lo waqala. But then mangiloko la kuthi ngiyetshwaleni la ngicabona ngathi yazini like lento lena ayisese yinto yabona like nje like ngazitshela ngathi ayazi nayo like ukuya etsholeni kwami akusasizi ngoba manje like ngithi like sengiphila like sengibuyela back to square one. You understand? So manje like ngithi ngajila ngathi yazini awuthi ngeke ngiyeke le nto lena yabona. And then bese ngala ngacela uNkulunkulu futhi ngathi God ngicela kube wula ukuthi umuntu ongikhuzayo la yabona okay la ngicongiphe amandla wokuthi yazini la ngithi like kumamele yabona like utshwala asinto wrong asinto wrong ukuphuza inkinga lakho umuntu on how you behave. You understand? So manje hayi lenza ngajitshela ngathi yazini here I am like ngithi ngiyaphuma but then access into yami like yokuphuma ngoba ngani yes sometimes like mawukhula ezinye izinto like they happen naturally.
Ziyakuphuma vele.
Ziyakuphuma vele ukuthi yazini awuthi ngeke ngizame like awuthi ngeke ngizame sona awuthi ngeke ngizame sona. This year January bengenza 30.
Okay.
Bengenza 30 years so ukwenza 30 kwami hayi ukuthi manje into engithi ngijabulele yona ne but then akumelanga like ngithi like ngibe over excited ngani like ngithi ngokuzikhuza kwami. So like nje like sengiyaphuma but then like asinto engiyenza every weekend like sengizikhuzile like bese ngizikhuza vele ukuthi yazini like ngo-Anushka like nguNathi I'll be myself. But then manje like sengiyaqhuka angizami ngenduku sengipholile mara manje kumele ngichoose like kumele ngichoose izinto ezi-right. Like I have to make right choices. Hayi ukuthi ngijabulisa abangani or ngijabulisa maybe like my parent. No.
Uzenzela wena.
Ngithi ngizenzela mina. And like nasesontweni ngisaya.
Okay, that's good. Manje njengoba uthi uyaqhuka uqhuka cause usarecovera or so recoverile so usele nje nokuthi uyaqhuka ke manje.
Like ngithi recover ne like sengirecoverile.
Okay.
Kahle. Sekusele nje like ngithi ngokuthi like ngiyaqhuka ngoba le time ngenza operation bangifaka insimbi. Bangifaka insimbi. Like ngithi kuse vele after vele like ngithi mase ngiyekile induku. Bese bathi like ngiyoyenza enye operation. Nkosi yami sengibawa like enyawo.
Okay.
Because manje like inyawo lami alisagobi. Like they like right.
Okay.
Manje ngithi ngiyabatshela ngithi mina no doctor ejimini like sengibuyele.
Okay.
Ngijima Katlehong eKhumalo Valley.
All right.
Here in Gauteng. Sijima ama-aerobics.
So uyakhona?
Yes.
Njoba fast kanje ama-aerobics awuthunukali mhlawumbe emawa.
Angithunukali.
So njoba lingagobi uyazama ukuligoba or bathe nje alisagobeki vele ungaligobi nawe ungalizami?
No, like ngithi ngiyazama cause manje inkinga yami ne like le nyawo leli like ilo msipha like lo wasemuva.
Okay.
Lo msipha like lo wasemuva like yiwo oqinile ngoba like the time bang operate bangifaka insimbi on my right leg. Ngathini because my like ngithi kahle abantu doctor bathole ukuthi like it's a bullet like ngithi I'm injured on my femur. Femur like it's a bone like that is connected with your knees.
Okay.
So manje yiyo inkinga nayo ngoba bangifaka insimbi lapho.
So vele
bullet lapho. Kana bathi like it's a medical candle. Baba like it's mama yisho ngesilungu lapha kodwa.
Yini medical candle?
Medical candle like ngithi ile way ulimela ngakhona.
Okay.
Right leg femur.
Okay.
Stuff, so manje ejimini like mangijima like ngijima like normally like noma senza ama-jumping jacks. I've once posted a video of myself like lang squatter corner. I was lifting up like itara like ele track. Like ngiyakhona cause you know I told myself ukuthi yazini I'm gonna fight this like no matter what cause manje mangizohlala ngithi suka nyawo lami like limoshekile ini like ngizochwala
mazozekelela vele.
So manje like ngajitshela vele ngathi yazini like ngajitshela vele ukuthi yazini angeke ngize ngiziyekelele kanje. I'm still young and beautiful like yabona.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Shano vele ukuziyekelela kuba inkinga. So ibullet bayalikhipha.
ibullet azange bakhiphi.
So lisasekhona.
Yeah, sisekhona bahlanganise neinsimbi.
So makubanda
Makubanda
uyagodola because normally nginokuva abantu abadutshuliwe abansahleli nama-bullet futhi or abanensimbi banokukhala ngokuthi makubanda or wezivala.
makubanda yazi makubanda ne ngedependa.
Okay.
Ngedependa ngoba manje inyawo lami kuba ngithe malizopeyina. No like ngithe malizopeyina lingitshela before a day makuzobanda. Like maybe let's say like for instance mangabe kusasa kuzobanda.
Yeah.
Namhlanje intambama. Lizoqala like lensimbi lezi and ziqala khona like ngithe after operation like mase kuphuma like injection like emzimbeni.
Yeah.
Yo into bengiyimemeza yo like ngamemeza unesi ngathi nesi awu nasi wathi mina inkosi nathi ungawazoba right. Unknowingly ukuthi injection like like le like bangihlabe yona like the time bayong operate bese iphuma emzimbeni bese baqeda ukungoperate bese iphuma emzimbeni and mase iphuma emzimbeni like kula khona vele like ngithe like insimbi like nama pain la siqala khona like leyo pain leyo experience ayo like ngithe makuzobanda.
Yeah. So ama-painkiller uphila ngama-painkiller or uphuza ama-painkiller kuphela?
Angijwayezanga vele ukuphuza amapilisi.
Yeah.
Amapilisi like ngithe ngathini amapilisi like angiphathisi ashesha angiphathisi inyongo kakhulu. So manje so manje sikahle. So manje abana ngathi angifundisanga ukuthi kumele ngiphile like ngamapilisi like njalo mangipeyinela pilisi amapilisi vele akhona and i-treatment yami like amapilisi like ngisawalanda esibhedlela.
Okay.
Ngenzela ukuthini anything might happen.
Yeah.
Yabona futhi more especially manje njengoba winter. Yeah. Ngenza sure vele ukuthi amapilisi ngiba nawo every day.
Yeah.
Ngiyazi ukuthi nje like makupeyina and ngithi mangipeyinelo yo funa nje ukuthi nje ngihlale like endaweni eshisayo ngibe warm. Fana like noma ngilala angilali maybe ngengubo ngathini like ngengubo ezi2 or ezi3 or maybe ngigcoke kakhulu ngoba like insimbi nazo like lezi zami like zifuna ukuphefumula kumele ngigcoke kakhulu. Mangabe maybe ngizolala ngengubo ezi2 akumelanga like ngilale ngigcoke maybe something and
okay
like kumele ngigcoke something like emfishane maybe tight or something like lizokwazi nalo ukulona ukuphefumula cause yo mara angipeyinelwa so far.
Okay.
So far cause i-gym yanginceda and ukunginceda kwami yo like ngiya bengiya every day.
Yeah.
Bengithi vele mangiya ekseni ngaboma 7 until 9:30.
Okay.
Yazi ukuthi ntambama ngiyabuyela futhi ngoba ngani like ngithi ucoach wami uThuli wathi kimi akumelanga like ngithi ngiliyekelele or ngiziyekelele mina nje mele vele like ngithi kumele ngi-exercise ukuze lo msipha lo uzokwazi ukulona. So manje i-second operation angibona ukuthi ngisazoyenza.
Okay.
Cause ngiyabona vele like sengiya improve.
Okay.
Angisahambi ngenduku.
Yeah.
Akusho ukuthi manje mangasahambi ngenduku angeke ngisayeke.
Yeah.
Induku yazi le nduku abona like le nduku lezi like lezi abakhona bomkhulu idondolo.
Yeah.
Like ngithi ngihamba ngayo mangabe ngiya ebank or ngiya eshop yazi ngenzela ini
Ama-Q.
ngizela ukuthi ngapho yo
So basuke babona ukuthi ulimele or babona leyo nduku vele automatically bayazi ukuthi kune injury ekhona la.
Automatically be like ngithi mangiya maybe ebank.
Yeah.
Like ama month end. Like vele ngiqhukise nami kakhulu ngithi yazini and angifoli but then hayi ukuthi maybe like singiyenza ngamabomu yabona like ngathi ama rules wakhona vele like ukuthi vele like umuntu oqhugayo
yeah, or hama crashes
or ama crashes like akafuli cause like ngisenensimbi yo mara abanye bayalwa
yeah banokusho ukuthi maybe bazosho ukuthi unamangavela ukuthi awumuntu oyanganje
angithi abanalwazi so manje like ngisekulapha eSantwanga Mall eKatlehong here in Gauteng abanye like abanye bangijwayele yabona
so
yeah bangijwayele vele yabona so manje like ngithi mangizoya maybe like it's boma East Gate or kuphi yabona and then bese ngathi ngikhohlwe induku yami yo
angeke bakholwa vele
yo angeke bangibhilive
but ngeluhlelo uhamba namaphepha akho sesibhedlela wena ukuthi phela na i-situation
no like ngiyasiqhugisa kakhulu vele like mangikhohlwe induku bese ngiyoku security ngisayi security fana njenga nini on Tuesday Monday like ngithi ngise Pambridge yabona so manje like ngithi ngaya Pick n Pay mangene Pick n Pay ngikhohlwe induku yami endlini yabona manje Pick n Pay like ngiyevela unexpected ayikuthi like bengiyakhona straight ba like mangena mangithi yo line plus angithi bekhola abo mama abantwana irand yo mangithi yo line yo Jehovah and only to find out ukuthi like ngathi bengithanga like into eziyi2 manje ngithi yo mina ngifolela line engaka for into eziyi2 and then bese like ngithi ngaya ku security ke ngathi yo security bengicela like ngifotliseni like ngiyaqhuka like ngine injury yazwa ngizwela yo wangizwela shem because you know like abanye abangibelieve
ngoba ngathi uyazenzisa vele
like ngithi kuba ngathi ngiyazenzisa or maybe like ngiya-act yabona and angi-act like nje like yazi umuntu ongakwazi angabona ngathi manje like uyazenzisa mara like umuntu okwaziyo like angabona hence vele like ngithi hence the time vele ukuthi vele mase ngihamba ngama-crashes ngaqala vele like vele ukuphithizela like ngathini exercise yabona like ngiyesontweni like ngithi ngiyeshop ngiphume ngaphandle ngime ngaphandle ngishaya umoya ngoba like ngihlala ngisendlini yabona bengifuna ukuthi abantu like baze yabona like bajwayele ukuthi yazini uNkosinathi like Anushka like sakazoba umuntu oso yabona but then uNkulunkulu hlanze kwayishintsha wathi hayi wena angeke la kusahamba ngenduku for angeke kwame ngenduku forever I'll give you like another chance ngicela ukuthi kube so look at me today
and I'm sure emakhaya niyazibuza ukuthi okay bashiye phakathi indaba kaBhudi esisana omdubulile and njengoba bekashilo ukuthi uyamazi because i-Facebook friend bekamrecognize uphelele phuphuthi
you know uBhudi azange ngilandelele like i-case yakhona
okay
reason why like my mom told me ukuthi yazi nathi ngicela like ngicela siyeke lento le ngoba manje like ngithimile uhamba amakhosi into ezikanjalo yabona so ayiyekela nje kuphela wena nje like uzozipholela uphuze like there's this traditional herb like le iphuzwayo like ngathi kumawulimele athumathunga like ngithi I went like ngithi bona ngibuza abantu ukuthi like ngasela mathunga like nomhlabelo ngenzela ukuthini ngenzela ukuthi like inyama zami la kuzokwazi ukuhlangana like la ngiyaziphuza angaziphuza even though nazo zibaba
mina ngazibona ke with my brother my late brother naye ukhe wadutshulwa and naye ukhe abanebullet elingaphumi so naye ukhe wadubuleka nasedolweni nalapha but ngiyakhumbula umathunga vele because that was back in 1996 I was very young basho ukuthi uyasebenza ngabona ngaye vele ukuthi uyasebenza kahle kahle umathunga vele nolo
and njengoba like ngithi kuzisebenza ne you know like yazi yenza like ilona ibolisa i-bullets like ibolisa i-bullets ngaphakathi and then bese kena i-bullets and then bese kena like kuzoba ngathi like kunesilonda like engathi agni and then bese uyayibhuthuza bese kuphuma
ubovu okay
like maphuzu mathunga like angisho iyabona from ngaphakathi because asiyinto ozalwe nayo hence that's why ngisho ngithi like iyabona like ngaphakathi bese kena when iminyaka like lokho isondela like maloku uphuza like uphuza like those traditional herbs like iyabola bese kube ngathi silonda like i-agni bese ke like ngibese uyaphithiza bese kuphuma ubovu.
So cishe fana nobuthumba kanje.
Yeah, njengethumba like similar.
Yeah, to ithumba. And then so ukhe wahlangana naye brother lo okudubulile after the incident or ku Facebook mhlambe wazama ukuyochecka ukuyobona ukuthi usase active na.
Yo, guess what? Yo, lo guy lo ongidubulile like ngimbone like kuma photos like komngani wakhe.
Okay.
Loyo mngani wakhe loyo ngimazi ngomngani wami. Cause umngani wami bekajola naye. So angithi abantu like lento yokuthi yabona like niyahlala like niyaphuza yabona bese kufike abantu yabona like ongabazi yabona. And then bese ke manje mina angisho ngoba like ngine good memory. Like ngine good memory and manje ngakhona ukumrecognize
ukuthi
uye like lo mfana lo like wangidubula.
Also before ukudubula bongamnaki.
Yeah.
Ubone after ukuthi no, this is actually the guy.
And like the same day makwenzeka like that incident. Like ngathini azange ngikhohle. Azange ngikhohle. So ukungavuli kwami case ngena ngathi ayazini you know like ithi uNkulunkulu atake over. Yabona asiyinto engiyekile. I did want it like to cough it out. But then as I like bengana muntu engathi like ngizokhuluma naye and cough out like the situation. But then sometimes like bengicabanga ukuthi yazini izenzo zami. Like mara manje ngoba manje like uNkulunkulu ongiphile like any chance.
Yeah.
Ithi ngabuyele move.
Yeah.
Ithi ngiphambili
futhi.
Yayibona? Cause manje like sometimes like umuntu wenza into unknowingly ukuthi like uNkulunkulu like uzokenzani. Like you understand?
Yeah.
Like uzokukhuza like nge-situation yasona. And then wena kumele ufunde from lapho ngoba if like awufundi uzohamba emhlabeni.
Yeah.
Yazi kubhlungu kanjani ukuteta isifuba like ukuteta inhlabathi like ngesifuba. Yo, and kuba bhlungu ngoba abazali bayakhuza. Wena like lokhu uyaqhubeka. uNkulunkulu shem. And angifuni ukuyenza mistake.
Yeah.
Abangani sengishilo konke.
Yeah.
And hayi ukuthi like ngishiye ngoba ngiyenzela bona or ngiyenzela like umama in ngiyenzela mina.
Yeah.
Ukuthi like I wanna focus on myself right now. Yabona like ngibona ukuthi yazini imlona like imo Anushka kahle.
Yeah.
And
then okay ngizobuyela kancane futhi it's the last question regarding brother. Ukuthi okay uyekelile indaba ye case mase ucabanga wena cause uthi angisho bo uzwe wami offer phone azange ayithathe ne mocabanga why aye wakudubula waze washaya noSibusiso. Do you think it was related mhlambe to something else or it just happened because bekumele yenzeke the way ubona ngakhona?
Into engibona ngakhona like ngathini yenzeke vele like yenzeke vele yabona. So mangimnikeza iphone ubonile ukuthi yimo Anushka ngoba if bekangazi kuba ungibulalile.
Abangayazi nokuva bathi makakwazi ucima evidence uyakubulala uyakubulala cause ungamkhomba cause ngiyacabanga naye la bekakhona maybe uyazibuza ukuthi yo I wonder ngizofunwa amaphoyisa or kuzoyenzakalani maybe nami bazongifuna bangilande cause abanye banokenza kanjalo vele umuntu makakwazi ukuthi uzosho ukuthi ubani ke lo. Yazi uNkulunkulu usebenza ngendlela eningi. uNkulunkulu usebenza ngendlela eningi. I really don't want to lie to you. Mina nje like ngivele ngayiyekela. Ngathi I'm just gonna let go. Yeah.
Cause bengithi mina like ngathini I was blaming myself. Ukuthi mina like bengihambile ngayophuza utshwala ini. But then like sengiyabona ukuthi yazini uNkulunkulu sometimes ukuvimba to some situations like ama-situations like ngathini lawa ozakiwo cause ukuthi vela like mangiqeda ukudutshula yo ziningi izinto like bezenzakala
Okay.
ziningi so manje I won't know ukuthi uNkulunkulu bekathi yazini ngoba bena la kuthanda ubumnandi la kuthanda abangani yabona awuthi ngeke ngikuvimbe
So izinto bezenzakala ebachomini labo ohamba nabo okuyindawo lezi beninokuhlala kuzo.
no like ngathi bezenzakala like into like ebanganini bami
Okay.
like ngithi bebashona abanye yabona like into ezikanjalo
Okay.
yo mina shem yo like no like ngithi like I'm a living testimony
Yeah.
cause manje like ngithi abanye abantu like bayadutshulwa and bayashona
Amampela.
sometimes like ngithi like there's a close friend of mine ebesimngcwaba like until last month yo kuthi mangizwa ukuthi akudutshuliwe yo like yohliziyo yami yo like beyibhlungu
Sekubuya nawo ukuthi
like sekubuya like nokuthi konje oh nami yabona but then like ngathi yazini like ngithi uNkulunkulu wami like mina ngiyabonga mina kimi like to myself and then ngimbonga every day
Yeah.
yo khona le video le I always watch like into ama video ka Rogisang
Okay.
on Metro FM
Yeah.
yo I'm so good I'm so getting blessed I'm so getting blessed because you know some people can take advantage ukuthi uNkulunkulu like usebenza ngendlela enjani but then wena like mawumfuna uNkulunkulu like mawufuna umbuso wakhe like uyawuthola so yabona I'm busy posting about like those videos on my status on WhatsApp like so every day as a motivation like to myself ukuthi yazini uNkulunkulu akalahlani mangasi isikhathi sakho asisikhathi sakho and njengoba like ngithi ngiloko ngiposta ama conversations ama videos lawa ku Metro FM baka Rogisang ngiba blessed like ilanga lami lihamba kahle smoothly and then like she motivates me like ama verses mangihleli ngiwani sometimes like ngithi no thatha iBhayibheli lami ngivule just go through the words
So, okay, ngizwile highlightile some of the lessons osifundile, but if you can share my lessons with abantu ke ababukele our viewers, what are the greatest lessons osifundile nge-situation yakho yokudutshulwa?
Like the first situation engiyifundile ukuthi like ngithi we never doubt God. Number 2, umuntu kumele wenza ama choice right empilweni for yourself, not only for abangani. Number 3, love yourself as love your neighbor as you love yourself. Sithande wena kuqala, because sometimes you know because some situations like can depress you. That's ungaba depressed with you yazini like angikho like into yabona like even no self-esteem of yourself bese so uzibona so usetshwaleni understand uyitshele ukuthi utshwala like into buzoku labona buzokukhipha i-stress ukhohle like yonke into
masosoba siyabuya futhi
yabona so those are one of those situations those lessons.
Yeah, no, your story is very touching because mina I thought Mozo Skoka ukuthi maybe motive behind the guy was hate crime. Yabon. Since angazange athathe next but joba busy usho ukuthi no at times uNkulunkulu does things ukukhuza yabona ngokufaka kuma situations so that at least usinde kwezinye izinto eziworse yabona ukudlula lezi ezikuvelela. But no, thank you so much for coming through before Sivala. Ungasho ke ukuthi utholakala kuphi and then
ngitholakala on Facebook. My Facebook handle is Unathi Candy and I'm also on Instagram. On Instagram it's Anushka Candy. And on TikTok it's Anushka Candy. If maybe if maybe awusazi spelling saka Anushka, it's Anushka. But then can I please explain like the name Anushka?
Okay, sure.
Like Anushka ne, I got it from a friend of mine.
Okay.
During like this like a Kotani
Okay.
in 2010.
All right.
Yeah. Literally like so a friend of mine like told me was I why when I'm talking about Anushka? Anushka. What yes. Ngambuza ngathi mina igama lisa Anushka like lishukthini. Wathi you know like it means beautiful.
Okay.
Ngathi ngimuhle. Wathi yeah. Wathi muhle mntanami. And then like ngicabanga ngathi hayi Anushka mina vela ngempela. Yabona. So manje like hayi vele ke like nami ngaba excited yabona because bengifunda eDinwiddie high.
Okay.
Beng like ngifike 2010.
All right.
So manje ngathi yo abantu bathi ubani ngithi Anushka yabona. Kahle leqale from like ngithoke lokishini igama nami like la Anushka and then bese kena it went viral high school.
Yeah.
Cause manje like some of like abanye laba benginabo like us like besifunda sonke high school and manje yabona like lento like ezikhuthana like yabona mahlangana ini basho ukuthi hayi Anushka igama lakhe ini yabona nami ngasala ngalithanda from lapho.
Yeah. So language ipi?
No like
language eKhotani. Okay, so emakhaya iKhotani ke kudala back in the days njengoba basho ukuthi 2010 bekune iKhotani. So it started with a group of guys but ngiyazi ukuthi bese kunanamantombazana khona. Laba bagqoka ama-label ke abo DMD bafaka amakhavela into abadumayo kakhulu ile bebathanda ukukhipha igipe ezi-expensive bazichise mabachomelana because kuba nama-battles yabo emalokishini or ey'kolweni and kunesitayile se-ultramel angiyazi lento ye-ultramel bekwenzakalani bathelane nge-ultramel or bathele igipa nge-ultramel but nje it was some angazi ngizathi bekuyi-movement I'd say at that time. Yeah, no, bese ngimdala kakhulu bengayi-understand namanje ngingakayi-understand. All right, emakhaya ke I hope nizwile istori saka Anushka nifundile from sona. Please nalaba abayoung if bakhona emakhaya because I know normally ama-viewers amaningi wethu abantu abadala ngicela if you have children, if you have grandchildren nibabize bahlale babukele but they obviously have to be over the ages of 18 bamamele izinto ezenzakalayo ebantwini because kunezimo ezivelela abantu but abanye bayakhona ukufunda ngazo. So I hope emakhaya nifundile ke and please spread the word ye-TVC Gauteng ukuthi sikhona uyasearcha nje lapho on YouTube. You can subscribe, as I've mentioned earlier on. It's absolutely free. If you'd like to support the channel, you can join by becoming a member. Uzopatali 20 rands a month. But before patali 20 rands in Kumbuze Futhi, you get to watch for a month ama videos wama membership are exclusive and akubi nama interruptions ke lapho.
Oh no, like it's like I just wanna tell like my viewers. Yeah. So I just wanna tell you guys, ne, like it's like I'm an entrepreneur.
Okay.
Yeah, like it's like I'm a
Okay.
Yeah, I'm a portraitors, Cowie Hills, Porkhead, and Cowie Head. It's only for students. So like if you are around at home, like like we are phone or maybe we are DM on my Facebook for good meat deliver. I do deliver sometimes.
So zihlaza rezuthiwe.
No, like zivuthiwe. I cook them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like like nice. for people, aba petwe ama hangover.
Yeah.
Yeah, so like I cater now for them. So yeah, when yeah.
Okay, ngizocela ushiye number yakho ke but number yakhe sizoyibhala even on the screen ne for abantu abanye bazokhona ukuyibamba mhlawumbe njengoba ngisho.
Okay. My numbers it's 079 432 5337 or either you can get me on my other number 081 542 9641. Like they anama WhatsApp way too.
Okay.
Yes.
So operator from nini till nini?
I operate from ekseni until 8 ebusuku.
Okay, ekseni ngobansikhathi?
Ekseni ngo6 because angisho abanye sometimes angisho like ngithi normally etshwaleni kuvalwa midnight.
Yeah.
Abuma 4-5 lapho yabo.
Abanye
so manje abanye abahlala closer like to where I am. Like they usually come at 6.
Okay.
So yeah, from 6 until 8 p.m. If maybe let's say ufuna ukupheka ngepapa, uziphekela wena ipapa.
Okay.
Yeah, angipheki ipapa.
Okay.
I only cater for amanqina like nenyama yenhloko.
Okay.
Cause angithi like mangizopheka nje ipapa sometimes omunye afuna ukusnack.
Yeah.
Sometimes omunye ufuna just nje yabona ukuthi ulihalele nje like ufuna nje ukuhlaphula like for that moment. Yeah.
All right. And then i-address ke ungabanikeza?
I-address is a 711 Sontonga Road, Katlehong.
Okay.
I'm here in Gauteng.
All right.
Yes.
No, siyabonga kakhulu ke Makhaya for watching. Until the next story esindethela sona, siyabonga for tuning in.